So, the first figure of speech we're going to explain is simile. Simile compares two unlike things using the words like or as. It's a direct comparison that highlights a shared quality. So, simile helps your audience understand something by relating it to something familiar. Example: the athlete was fast as a cheetah, explaining the speed of the athlete to a cheetah's speed. Next example is the baby's skin felt like silk, comparing the baby's skin to the softness of silk. So the next figure of speech we're going to explain is metaphor. Metaphor compares two unlike things without using the words like or as. It states that one thing is another, creating a forceful comparison. Metaphor creates a vivid image by suggesting a deeper connection between two things. Example: the world is a stage, comparing the world to a stage, implying that people are actors playing roles. Next example he is a lion on the battlefield, comparing the person to a lion, suggesting bravery and strength. So, going on to the next figure of speech, hyperbole. It is the use of exaggeration to emphasize a point or create a humorous effect. So, in short, hyperbole isn't meant to be taken literally. It's used to make something sound much bigger than it is. So, examples: I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. Clearly, the person can't actually eat a horse. Next example is I've told you a million times. It's unlikely the person had literally repeated something a million times. So, the key takeaway here, hyperbole relies on the extreme exaggeration. So, next is irony. Irony is a contrast between what is said and what is actually meant, or between what is expected and what actually happened. So, irony can be used for humor, emphasis, and to create a sense of dramatic tension. So, the two types of irony are verbal irony and situational irony. So, for verbal irony, it is saying one thing but meant the opposite. So, example is, oh great, said when something bad happens. Next is situational irony, when the opposite of what is expected occurs. So, example is, a fire station is burning down. So, we're gone to the last figure of speech, personification. Personification is giving human qualities like emotions, actions, characteristics to inanimate objects, animals, or ideas. So, personification helps us to relate to non human things on a more emotional level. Examples are the wind whispered through the trees, giving the wind the human ability to whisper. Next is the sun smiled down on us, giving the sun the human expression of a smile.